Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. This video is a long time coming, to say the least. Back in December, so about 3 months ago-ish, I had posted a video labeled, or I should say titled, Why I Canceled Boxycharm, RANT. That was pretty much the extent of it. I'm not going to delve a huge amount into that video. I will post that up here in the cards and I will put a link down below in the description box. I do suggest at least checking out a little bit of that video first before watching this one because they will kind of go together. So after very frustrating experiences with Boxycharm, in no way was I trying to drag the brand or drag the subscription box. I was just being 100% forthright and honest with my experience. So basically, I had run-ins with customer service, issues with the way they were advertising the box on their website, some misleading content, all that kind of stuff, and it kind of rolled into me being frustrated with pretty much every subscription box I had tried or had belonged to at the time. So this video actually is a huge update. My, how things have changed and taken a turn. As you can see, I've got this here and I've got this here. So there have obviously been some changes. I felt that it was due to make this video. This has been over a month in the making. I've been waiting to sit down and film this update for you guys. So enough chatter, let's just go ahead and dive into the video. All right, so pretty much what happened with this is once my video hit around, I want to say it was 40,000 views or in the upper 30,000s there, whatever, I ended up getting an email from the CEO of Boxycharm, which shocked me. I logged into my business email, which I always link in the description box of all my videos, whatever, if someone has questions or PR or whatever, that I always list in my videos, and I logged in and I saw that I had an email from Joe Martin. And the second I saw that name, my heart kind of sank because, like I said, my intention was never to offend anyone or make anyone upset with that video. It was just me trying to inform others or to maybe connect with others who had been experiencing the same issues I had. So I hesitated, I opened the email, and essentially it said this. I will put it on the screen as well as read it to you. Hello, Crystal. I've seen your YouTube video regarding the bad experience you had with Boxycharm and wanted to personally apologize. This is not an attempt to change your mind, but to tell you I am taking the necessary steps to fix and improve the process to give the best experience. It's not an overnight fix, but I believe we're making a great progress already. Your feedback was honest, fair, and important for me to hear. Thank you for the time you were with Boxycharm. Thank you for sticking through a long wait list with all the issues, and thank you for helping me make it better. I was really taken aback, and to be totally honest, very impressed. I was shocked that it was received so well. A lot of the comments on that video were, I got some crazy comments, you guys. We will go over that after I share this part with you. So I then responded, and I will post this as well. I really appreciate that you reached out to me personally. To be honest, it means a lot. It's not every day that the CEO of a large company reaches out directly to a customer. I decided to make the video review that I did because of the lack of response to all the emails I sent to customer service and feeling like no one on that end cared. My channel is new, and I honestly didn't expect to get the feedback and views that I did on my video. Your email truly does make me want to give Boxycharm another chance. If my experience is better, I would definitely make a new video to share my now positive and updated experience. Thank you again for your response. Then he goes again to respond to me. It's my pleasure. Also, please let me know the email you use with Boxycharm. I'd like to have my team look into the reason you were having shipping issues. I responded to that. And then essentially he did end up responding saying, thank you, I'm trying to find the issue so we can fix it across the board. I then ended up getting an email from Boxycharm support customer service letting me know, or asking me to let them know what email I resubscribed with because there was a wait list, saying they would get me off the wait list and get a box shipped out to me as soon as possible. I was also taken aback by that and impressed. So essentially it coerced me to try this out again, see if I could bring you guys an updated review and see if my experience this time around was better. I do also have other email receipts, as people call it, from customer service on Boxycharm's end. I did, ironically enough, run into a couple of snafus. I had rejoined Boxycharm. Like they promised, they took me off the wait list right away to make sure I could get my box and that I wasn't put on a wait list again. But in that process, somehow they accidentally charged my card twice. They apologized, said they fixed the issue right away. To be honest, I never really noticed a double charge on my card or anything, but I am happy that before that could even happen, they did catch the issue and again reach out to me honestly. And this was just customer service. This wasn't Joe anymore. This was just customer service saying, hey, we made a mistake, just to let you know, we fixed it. There will only be one charge on your card. Again, I was super impressed that they took the initiative to catch that and to reach out to me in a positive manner. Once I was taken off the wait list, I got my box in less than 2 weeks, which was super impressive. As you guys know, in the previous video, I had an issue with how quickly I was receiving the box. Kind of. That wasn't really the huge issue, but again, it was brought up in the video. I'm not going to repeat what was in that video. We'd be here for an hour. Anyways, I got the box. That was this one. I think this was February's box. I had like these crown brushes. As you can tell, I've been using them. The Naked Cosmetics highlighter palette, the Cover Effects, whatever. There was a few things in this box. I decided, okay, I'm gonna keep this going. You know, I felt like maybe this box was monitored by customer service. I wanted to let this roll into another month. I let March's box come. So here's what I got. I got the Boxycharm Pure Palette, the Vintage Cosmetic Brushes. We got the Bella Pierre Mascara, the Pretty Vulgar Blush, and then the South Main Eye Gel Packs. I used the Pure Boxycharm palette and these brushes on my eyes today. I really did enjoy this eye look. What's funny is my sister also has a Boxycharm subscription, so this also went into my investigative portion of this to see, she lives like 30 minutes from me, not even, to see if she got her box any sooner, later than me. And with that, it turned out that we pretty much got our boxes around the same time. I ended up actually getting my box a day sooner than hers. What's cool about this is we are on opposite box variations. So I get one variation, she gets the other. I initially got the more loud blush, I would call it. It's more of like a purpley tone, and then she got this one, so we traded, which is awesome, because now we can trade products with each other, and if something's more my style, vice versa, you get it. The status on this box, I was charged on the 2nd of the month, and I ended up getting my box on the 16th, which isn't bad. That's within 2 weeks of being charged. I'll accept that. I definitely see improvement there, as in before in the first video I made, I wouldn't get my box sometimes like the last week of the month, which I thought was crazy and frustrating because I was seeing so many people get their box and I'm like, I haven't even gotten a shipping notification yet. So again, I didn't have to message customer service. I got a tracking number that actually had tracking information on it, which was another beef I had. They were sending me a tracking number, but it just kept saying label was created. These last 2 times, that was not the case. So we are 2 for 2 since I have resubscribed to Boxycharm. I would definitely say that, you know, based on the experience that I've had this second time around, it's definitely a positive one. I would say that whatever they did, they definitely did improve on their shipping issues, getting products out, tracking numbers. That's what you guys have to understand. That I know that sometimes negative videos are hard, especially if you're a huge fan of a product and you see someone just kind of, you know, having not so positive experience, but those videos have a place in the consumer community. They have to exist. If we didn't have that kind of feedback, how would Joe or Billy from Try Beauty Box or any of these CEOs or, you know, head honchos of these companies ever know that there's anything going on with their products if everyone is either just kissing their butt and giving them, you know, reviews like from PR packages, or, you know, people who just aren't taking the time at all to give these honest reviews. The point of this is that now we have this platform. When I was in high school, or, you know, a newer consumer, or just, you know, having a job and being able to spend my money, I would have loved to have eyeshadow tutorials on YouTube or whatever. YouTube came after that time for me. I would have loved to have been able to actually get reviews and look at a product and have information that is so readily at our fingertips. I think that we take that for granted sometimes, and I think that is an amazing thing that YouTube has given us this platform to review products and to be honest about the products that we are receiving so that we can make smart consumer choices and so that these owners of these companies have a chance to fix the issues. And I think that that is very, very important. I do want to touch on some of the comments that I got in my last video. There was over, I think we're over 500 now or something like that. A lot of them were, and I'll try to post them up on the screen here. Who cares when you get the box? You know it's coming. I don't see the issue. Let's touch on that logic really quickly. Let's say you order a product online. You never get shipping information. You message customer service and you never hear from them. But you know, the box is coming. So first of all, my question to you guys would be, how would I know my box is coming if I never got shipping info? I guess I'm confused by that. When you order products online, the only way to confirm that you're getting the products that you purchased is to get a shipping confirmation and to get a tracking number, because then you know, hey, the company has fulfilled my order and now I'm getting it. Floored by that comment. I honestly, I don't get it. I don't get it. Mind blown. Like, and I did take the time to, my eyebrows are going crazy, respond to some of these comments, just because, I mean, I think sometimes people just really just type and they don't think a whole lot about the comment. They're offended by your opinion and they just want, you know what I mean? They're upset by the video essentially, and I get it, whatever. We live in an age of people being extremely offended, so I'm not surprised. How could you possibly say to me, and if you actually paid attention to the video and said, the box is coming, yeah, you never got your shipping information, but just be patient, it's gonna get to you. That, we move on. Let's move on from that one, because it's just like, that's totally insane. Another one was, well, you get what you pay for. You're getting a box that you're paying $21 a month for. You know, there's over $100 worth of products in it. Looks like you're getting mad about nothing. $21 is $21. I don't care if there's $1 million worth of product in the item. If I'm not getting it, I'm throwing $21 out the window. Do you guys get that too? Like, that logic is also so flawed. It's like, well, you know, you're paying so much for it and you get what you pay for. It looks like you're freaking out about nothing. It will make its way to you. Like, this whole logic of like, who cares about when it gets to you, or basically it's almost like, who cares if you ever get the item? You're only paying $21 for it. It's like, no, that is so strange to me. I really don't. If you agree with that logic, leave me a comment down below and explain to me maybe a little bit better how that logic makes sense, because I'm not getting it. Most of the comments that I got, unfortunately and sadly enough, were people who actually had the same experience as me. And again, obviously this had an impact. I'm not saying that my video changed Boxycharm and that because they saw me and they're like, oh, Crystal K Beauty's having issues, we need to overhaul this company. No, I'm not saying that. But I mean, I believe that it might have had some sort of an impact. I mean, again, without this feedback, companies aren't going to know. That's about it. Let's wrap this video up. I just wanted to say that I did end up having 2 new positive experiences with Boxycharm. I do plan on holding on to the membership for a little while, just to kind of see what products are included. If you guys want to see me start doing unboxings and reviews of the products in Boxycharm, like try-on styles, I really don't want to just do unboxings where I'm like, oh, hey, here's what's in the box, cool, and a video. No, I think that there's enough of that out there. I think it's more fun when they actually do try-on style videos. So if you want to see that type of video, leave me a comment down below. If you want to see how I created this eye look, let me know down below. I will start, you know, doing tutorials using the products in the box, because again, it's great to do unboxings and to show it, but I think that people who are, you know, into a subscription like this, they might actually want tutorials using the products that are in the box. So yeah, shout out to Pretty Vulgar on this blush before I head out here, because this blush is gorgeous. I have this on, I absolutely love it. Again, this is the Make Them Blush shade. I traded it out with my sister. Really love it. Yeah, I think the Pure palette with Boxycharm, it was a really cool concept. I think the packaging is super cute. There's like little hearts embossed on it. I think the shade selection in this is really cool. I love the pops of color. It does feel very beachy and tropical, so I think that's neat. Leave me a comment down below if any of you who had the negative experiences have now had positive experiences, if you've seen a change in things. Have some of your issues been corrected? Let me know down below. I'm really curious about that, because it's great and all that my issue got corrected, but I really want to hear and see if there really has been that large of a change and an impact. So let me know down below if you are from the first video that I posted, and if you had those similar opinions, let me know. I want to thank you guys so much for watching and all the love and support on that first Boxycharm video. Like, I'm still shocked. Like, I did not expect at all for that video to do as well as it did, and I think it's so cool. I want to thank all of my subscribers who came and subscribed from that video. Thank you so much for your support and continually watching my videos and interacting with me and all that good stuff. You guys know I appreciate it more than anything. I hope you have a wonderful week. Quick update on the channel before I go. I'm going to try to do a video every day this week, whether it be tutorials, product reviews, more declutters. There will be a video every day this week. I kind of want to try that out. So leave me a heart emoji or a heart, that little 3 with the greater than sign, letting me know if you made it all the way to the end. I love you guys so much, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Hit that subscribe button. Bye.